Hello everyone, welcome in Cool IT Help. Guys, this is the FFmpeg tutorial. In this tutorial, I will tell you a useful FFmpeg command that will put a watermark image on the video. Here I am using overlay filter. Okay, before starting guys, make sure you have installed the FFmpeg and you want to know how to do it, just follow the link given in the description. This is my previous video that I have shared with you guys. And before starting guys, I have a small request. If you think this video is useful for you, so guys, please like this video and share with your friends as well. And if you want such more useful videos on my channel, so guys, please subscribe my channel. Also press this notification bell icon so you will get the latest video updates ASAP. So I'm going to start. Okay, first I'm opening the command prompt, so I will execute this ff command at this place. Okay, now let me show you what the command is. So this is my first command. Okay, and now first I would like to tell you something. So suppose this is our video. Okay, and in the first command we will put our watermark image at this place. You can consider that this is 10 pixel from the top and 10 pixels from the left side of the screen. So I am placing the image at 20 pixel. Okay, means x offset is 20 and y offset is 20. So okay, now minimizing it, and here's the command. Let me explain step by step. This is useful. This is as usual ffmpeg-i, and here you have to give the input video file. As usual, I am taking wildlife.wmv file as the input. After that, we have to give -i, and then we have to provide the icon image or a small image. Okay, if you want to use some transparent image, so guys, you have to go in the Photoshop and you have to edit that icon image. In my example, I'm using this image. You can see here, this is not a transparent image, this is a simple image. Okay, and here we have to give the filter name like -filter_complex, and then we have to give offset. Okay, and here's the overlay parameter, and we have to give x and y offset. That means at which place you want to put this icon image. So in this example, I am placing my image in top left corner at position 2020. X offset is 20 and the y position is 20. Okay, and in the last, this is the output file. Whatever the output we will achieve after completing this command. Okay, so everything is ready, and let me check one more time. Because the name of the file must be correct, otherwise the command will throw error. Okay, so no problem, I'm going to run this. So just copy this command, go to here in the command prompt, do a right click, and command will be pasted, and I'm going to press the enter. Okay, here I found one error like wildlife.wmv file not found. Mistake with the name, let me correct it. This is wildlife.wmv. Now again copy this command and go to the command prompt, and I think we're getting some error. So here's the important thing that I was missing. We have to run the command prompt at this place because we have not reached where we have all these files. Okay, so we have to set we have to go at this path, like we have to come inside this demo folder because we have all files inside this. Then we will run our command and it will execute successfully. Okay, now just wait. Okay, here we go. You can see processing is just started, and it's keep going. So meanwhile we have to wait until it completes its processing. After that, I will file and I will show you where the icon is placed. So it depends on the speed of your processor and the memory of your system. Because in the demonstration I have taken a very short video, so it will take a very less time. But if you are performing such action on your lengthy video, so that will take more time. So meanwhile you have to wait. See, again the command prompt will be visible and your cursor will be blinking here. That means output file is generated. You can see here we got this output.mp4 right now, and I will run this and we will observe the output. Okay guys, you can see on the left corner our image is successfully placed, and you can see our video length is around 30-second video length, and this watermark image is placed on very correct place as we expected. Okay guys, now I will tell you some more thing. We have some ready-made parameters, so we can set anywhere on the screen. We can set this icon image anywhere on the video. So I will demonstrate you how you will do that. So first we will understand what are the parameters. So here we have some ready-made parameters like main_h, and this means this is the video's height. Okay, whenever you are using main_h, that means you are referring to the video's height. Okay, in the same way we have main_w, so we are referring the video's width. Okay, and again we have one more useful thing, overlay_h. That means whatever the image icon height and width, that will be referred with the help of this overlay_h, and the width will be referred with the help of overlay_w. So these are the parameters, and I will show you how to use it. Okay, first of all, come here. So in the first execution we have placed our image on the left corner, but now we will put our image on the right corner. Okay, top right corner. Okay, so here. Okay, so we have to calculate the position of this. That means we have to calculate the coordinates, like what is the x position and what is the y position of video. Okay, you can see like this. That means we have to find out the position, that is the x position, and what is the y position. That means we have to find out this coordinate. Okay, this position. So let me explain you the thing. The command is ready. I have already written. So going to place the icon on the top right corner. So this is the ffmpeg and -i for the input file. Okay, and -i for the icon image, and this is -filter_complex, and this is the overlay parameter that needs x and y coordinate. So we have to place our image on the right corner, so I'm using main_w. That will give you the width of the video. That means the total width of the video. So from this place to okay, so main underscore W means the width underscore W, that will give you the total width of the video. Okay, so in the command we are using main underscore W, and we are subtracting the position, that means overlay width, that means what is the image width. Okay, so this will return you the image width plus 10. Okay, that means we are placing image here, that means the width of the image is this is the width, overlay underscore W. So this is giving the width of the overlay, and plus 10 means from the right corner we are leaving 10 pixel. Okay, and we are subtracting from the total width of the video minus this thing. Okay, so we are giving the X position in this way, and Y position is 10, means from the top we are leaving only 10 pixel. Okay, that means there is a gap of 10 pixel from the top and in between top and the video and this icon file. Okay, so the command is ready, and I'm going to run this command. And in the last we have this output file. Okay, so command is written in this way. I'm going to run it again. Okay, now going to press enter. Okay, it is asking to overwrite the video because we have executed the same command one more time, and you can change the output file name, so that will not ask. Okay, there's no problem. I'm putting yes, and the same file will be overwritten, and the process is started, and we have to wait for a few minutes. Okay guys, now prompt is blinking again. That means our file is generated successfully. Okay, now I'm going to run this output file, and we will observe. Okay guys, you can see on the right corner our image icon is placed successfully on the desired location. You can see here. So this command is very useful and awesome. Okay guys, now I will show you how to place the same icon in the bottom right corner. So here the command is ready. The same command is written, but only the parameters are changed. So I will tell you. We have changed the X and Y position. So now the position is bottom right corner. So I am using the width main underscore W minus, that means we are subtracting. Okay, that means we are calculating the X position. Okay, so here we are using overlay underscore W plus 10, as I have described. This is the width of the icon image, plus we are adding 10 more pixel. Okay, and then in this way we are calculating the X position. Okay, now we have to give the Y position. So I'm using main underscore H, that means the total height of the video minus overlay underscore H, that means the height of the overlay, that means the height of the image icon plus 10 pixel. Okay, so let me show you. So the new position will be here. Okay, one thing. So this is the main underscore h. Okay, and this value, the height of the image icon is overlay underscore h. Okay, so we have to find out this position. That means we are using overlay, and here we are adding 10 more pixel. Okay, that means the total height will become from this place to the bottom. Okay, now coming back here in this, so the same thing I have written, main underscore h minus overlay underscore h plus 10. So we are deciding, we are calculating this position. Okay, this is the y position, because we have to set our image icon in the bottom of the screen. So the new position is calculated in this way, and this is the output file name. Okay, now I'm going to run this command. I will show you output. Just click it. Okay, processing is started, and we have to wait for a few minutes. Okay guys, processing is done and output video is generated with the same name, and I'm going to show you. So here's the output file. Okay, now see this in the bottom, the image icon is placed on its proper position as we expected. See here in the right corner, it's all commands are working properly. For your easiness, I have given all these commands in the description, so you guys can copy and explore with this command. I hope you guys found this video useful. So guys, don't forget to share with your friends, and please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon as well, so you will get the latest time. So guys, keep watching Cool IT Help. I will bring more useful videos. Till then, bye bye.